Baby, this camera ain't nothing to play with, okay?
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hate when we're apart, cause I love me, you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I got my new phone, thank God, finally. And as y'all can see, I got my nails done too. They're longer than I usually get them, but child, I haven't had my nails done in like 5 or 6 months at this point, so I was just happy to get it done. Shout out to your girl. But yeah, she snapped. She bodied. And I did these braids. I did a little poll on Instagram, and most people voted they wanted to see a DIY on this hair. So I will make sure to add that on the list of videos to do. But I finally received my jewelry from the M Jewelers, and I just wanted to do a quick little review because I'm like really excited about getting it. I have been wanting to try their stuff for a while. I just never like really got around to it. And then recently they had like a huge sale where everything was like 40% off, and then you could get like 45 if you signed up for the emails and stuff. So of course I did that. So I got a few different pieces. The first package came already. The other one, it's been a little test. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm sure part of the reason is because of the simple fact that UPS is on BS, as well as USPS and all the other delivery couriers. But because with COVID and all of that, and I'm sure they were backed up because I ordered it on the, I made 2 separate ones. The first one, which is this one, I ordered on the 19th of last month. I received it today on the 29th. Now they say it takes 6 to 10 days to create it and then ship it out 3 to 5. So you do the math. I've been waiting for a little while. But I understood they were pretty backed up because of, you know, what was going on with COVID, and they probably had limited people working. And on top of that, like I said, the couriers, and then the simple fact that they probably had so many freaking orders. So they have like 1 million followers. So I've always heard pretty good stuff about their jewelry, so I wanted to try it. The second one, I ordered on the 23rd. I still haven't received that one. But I'm happy this one came because this is the one I was really waiting on the most. I'm a little worried about the second one because there was some miscommunication when I purchased it. And I had to try and change it up. And they said that the change was going to be on the package. But we just gonna see. We're gonna hope that they got it right, because I'm gonna be really sad if it took them over a month to get me my stuff and it's not even right. But I brought 2 pieces here, and then I got a necklace with my dad's initials on them. So I'm really excited about that one getting here. But like I said, I'm worried it's not gonna be right, so I'm kind of like, you know. But anyways, let's get to it. Oh, and back to my phone. Y'all know my mind be all over the place. My new phone, that's why I wanted to try this week's video out on my new phone, because I got the 11 Pro Max. And honey, this camera, baby. Okay. Ahead, open it up. Okay. I got the thick hoop earrings, gold vermeil, and the single heart rope cut nameplate necklace in gold vermeil. I needed a new nameplate necklace. My sister bought me one a few years ago, and it broke. So, oh, this is cute. So here's the packaging. The M Jewelers. Cute, cute, cute. This one's heavier, so I'm pretty sure this is my earrings. Y'all know I live for a gold hoop, baby. I needed some new ones because my last one, it was cheap and they turned. So the price of these originally Let me see. I think these earrings are originally 100 something. Dang, I don't even know. I'm gonna give y'all the exact price and information. Go ahead. Oh, let me. For the picture. Okay. So I'm gonna take my key. Y'all, my friend just called me and said we about to go to Shake and Grab, and I'm so happy. I've been wanting to go somewhere where I can get a nice little boil. Okay. Ugh. Dang. So I opened the wrong side. Okay. There we go. Okay. So open the box. And then I'm giving real ghetto girl vibes with the nails, the hair. Ah, crap. Who is this? Yee. Ooh, I can't wait to put them on. Oh my God, they're so pretty. So they in here. This is the earrings. So, as you know, gold vermeil is not 100% solid gold. It's high quality gold filled or plated or both. Gold vermeil is like the high quality gold. But let's put them in. Take my other gold earrings in, my little simple babies. I'm so happy. I've been needing some new hopes. Oh, yes, honey. Period. Perfect. Just like I like them. Perfect size. The perfect thickness. Yes. I love them. I can't wait to take pictures. Ooh. Ah. Craig. Okay, so that's the first one. I love how they give you the bag so that you keep them separate at night when you take them out. Keep them separate away from the other jewelry. That's the best way. If you don't know, that's the best way to protect your jewelry that is not completely solid gold. Keep it from being tarnished or any scratches or anything. Keep it in those types of, keep it storage separately. That's one of the ways to keep it lasting long. So I'm gonna open this one with my key. Ooh, it's pretty. It's my name. I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh yes, I love the chain. It's not too thin. This is perfect. I'm so happy. I got the 20-inch, I think, because I don't like my necklaces, especially not my nameplate. I don't like it to be too short. I don't like choker necklaces, first of all. Not like that. I'm not really a fan. I like my stuff to dangle. So when I layer, unless I'm trying to layer, like, you feel me? But don't ask me how I do this with long nails, baby. I was blessed with the gift. Now, for real though, these are longer than I usually get them, but they are a little different. But y'all know I like long nails, period. So anyways, this is it. I'm so happy. It's so cute. It's giving real ghetto girl vibes, and I'm here for it. Also, speaking of Ghetto Girl, if you don't already follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I have recently posted one of my newest projects. We did a Ghetto Girl shoot. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for some of the pictures. My site will also be back up because if you don't know already, if you don't follow me, you should be. Be More is relaunching. As you all know, that is my online store. I'm super, super excited. And yesterday was actually the relaunch shoot. So I shot like all of the new pieces. So I'm really, really excited. We will be relaunching this coming month, July. So the site will be back up and you'll also be able to be styled by Be More. All of that will be available on the new site. So you'll be able to see some of Be More Styles projects and all of them. I'm super, super excited. So I will leave all of that information in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm here for it. Can y'all see my face? Yeah, I really love this. Yeah, so it's giving real Ghetto Girl vibes. If you guys are here for the DIY on the Ghetto Girl braids or whatever, let me know and we lit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cute quick video, and thank you to the Andrillas for my jewelry. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing, sis? I don't understand. Why are you not subscribed, baby girl? You need to hit that subscribe button right now. Check some of these links throughout the video up top for some of my other videos. And with that being said, share this video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Keep them coming. I will see you guys next week. Bye.